Rapunzel, Rapunzel, deja caer tu cabello.
Welcome to the channel. This is where I review and critique luxury properties to tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it, so you can binge watch them right after each other. And in today's episode, we're visiting this beautiful Spanish goddesses of a building, 6342 Mullholland Way, 9 bedrooms, 6 baths, 10,513 square foot, listed for $18.9 million, and sits on, it's intimidating, it's really big, okay? 117,616 square foot of land. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, you should know the content of this video is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. If you have questions, you can contact the listing agent right here. Okay, 3 things I like about this property. Number 3, views. I mean, damn. Yeah, it even has a damn view. It has Hollywood Hills view, it has downtown view, it has every damn view that you can think of. It's awesome. It's freaking on top of a hill. You see everything from here. Number 2 is how much freaking flat land and a compound vibe you get from here. It's like your own little castle, or Rapunzel, or Rapunzel. It's a Spanish Rapunzel. It's really, really cool. Okay, the number 1 thing I love about this house is how authentic this architectural style is. I mean, it genuinely feels like the craftsmen were imported from, you know, Puerta del Sol, Calle del Carmen in Madrid. It's just everything about this house is Spanish to the T. It's more Spanish than Spanish houses in Spain. I mean, I can list stuff from freaking the courtyard to covered ceiling, custom freaking iron features it has, terracotta flooring, vibrant, you know, period tiles, hand-painted artistry, grand fireplace, exposed wood beam ceiling, Spanish archways. Everything about this house is amazing. And to top it off, you have Rapunzel at the top of the clock tower. I mean, look at these rooms. They're ridiculous, right? It just looks like a Spanish castle villa. Beautiful, okay? Now, 3 things I don't like about this property.
Hang on, what does ZipSmart have to say about this house?
According to ZipSmart, demand is down 31% in this area than same time last year. Now you see all these gadgets, everything, we forecast a ton of stuff, but in version 3.0, we're gonna simplify this so much that it's gonna blow your mind. So if you wanna get lower prices today, sign up today before prices go up in about 2 weeks. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. This is an obvious one. The layout is ridiculous. I mean, this is not a functional layout in today's living. It's room to room to room to room, character. I just don't know how practical that is for everyday Americanos. Okay, number 2 is the proximity to Mullholland and the fact that you're really high up in the hills and away from the actual city and action. That could be a negative. It's going to take you 20-30 minutes to just get down the hill. Jeez. And that's not positive. Now, the number 1 thing I don't like about this property is the fact that you have a great approach, you drive up, and not just the house is like 3-4 levels. Your entrance is below all the way down here on this level, and that's why you really need Rapunzel. Throw the hair down.
Rapunzel, deja caer tu cabello.
You really gonna need that because it's gonna be probably the fastest way to get to your home. Now, if you wanna know how much I would pay for this house, this is a very hard property to price. I would love to be a resource to you. I have a little bit of experience in this field, so I would love to help you out. And also, if you see these boxes around my head and you like them, you should click on them. See you in the comments and tell me what you think of this property. See you guys next one. Bye-bye.